What's up, guys? John for JohnMcNeil.com here, and today I have a video for you. But before we jump into this video, I want to know if you feel that it's actually possible to start making $200 a day as a complete beginner, as a newbie jumping into affiliate marketing. Now, if you ask me, I think making $200 a day straight out the gate, day one, day two, is probably a little unrealistic. But today in this video, I'm going to be showing you a resource that will actually shortcut your way to $200 a day. And we're starting right now. All right, guys, John for JohnMcNeil.com here, and today I'm actually going to do something a little bit different. If you guys been watching me on YouTube, you know that I don't do a lot of product reviews, but today I'm actually going to be reviewing this product called Auto Profits Daily. And the only reason I really want to review this product is because I really feel like, you know, if you're a newbie, if you're an intermediate, and you're not making the money that you want to make in affiliate marketing, if you just don't get it, if you just haven't started and you need someone to really walk you through the whole process, I really feel like this course is excellent for anybody that is just starting out. Now, basically the whole premise of this product is to take a newbie to $200 a day. It says 36 hours here. I think that may be a little bit of a stretch, but who knows? I don't know how diligent you are and how much you work and what type of effort that you put in, so it could be possible. But I will say that the information in this course is excellent, and it will definitely give you like a blueprint to start generating a couple $100s a day. Now, here it says just some highlights, bank $200 per day just starting today, no product creation, no cold calling, complete A to B process explained. There's a 30-day refund policy, and it's specifically centered for newbies and people that have just failed with their internet marketing business. And the product costs $16.64. Very inexpensive, and it's power packed with information. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the membership area. So basically it starts out, it gives you an overview of the system, and basically it talks about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how you're going to get everything to work, putting all the pieces together that's going to actually generate you money. There's some bonuses in here, and then you have like your get started video, like the path to $200 a day. Everything is broken down for you. And then this is what I really like about this course. I mean, it really takes you through everything that you need to be an affiliate marketer. So they go through, how to build a list, like in detail, like squeeze pages, lead magnet, how do you craft a lead magnet, cheat sheets of everything that you need to make a lead magnet good, how do you get a squeeze page up, what tools do you need to use, what do you say on your squeeze page, what's going to get the most opt-ins. It's very in-depth in terms of like how to build a list. Everything you need to know about building a list, from the lead magnet to the squeeze page to being online to all the psychological triggers that you need to have on your squeeze page in order to get people to opt in, you're gonna find in this video. And then once you have your squeeze page up, he goes into traffic, and I like that, he goes into two forms of traffic. There's a paid traffic module in which you learn about Facebook traffic, Bing traffic, and solo ad traffic. And all of these videos are in-depth, step-by-step, how to get traffic to your website. Laid out very nice and very detailed in terms of like step-by-step what you need to do. And then even if you don't have a budget, he has some free traffic methods. Again, in-depth training on Instagram, Fiverr. This is something that I've never even seen. It was something very pretty crafty that I never even thought about trying. But he's getting free traffic from Fiverr and JV content. So again, this is just some different stuff that a lot of internet marketers and affiliate marketers don't really talk about in terms of siphoning free traffic. He goes into actually choosing offers. So like basically if you're going to be an affiliate, you're going to have to pick offers. So you can pick either existing offers, or you can pick, like upcoming offers, like offers that are going to pre-launch. And he goes in depth on how you actually choose these offers. And then what you need to do in order to promote those offers. He actually goes through like a mathematical formula. I mean, it's something that I've never seen before. It's like a mathematical formula in order to formulate the exact product that's going to give you the actual highest probability of making you sales. Unbelievable. Haven't seen anything like that. And then email content. So you have your squeeze page, you're building your list, you're getting paid and free traffic, you know how to pick your exact offers, the whole ideology of picking your offers. And then he goes in depth going into how do you actually communicate with your subscribers? You know, how do you get them to open your emails, the perfect subject lines, the hook, which is kind of like the first couple sentences that hook your subscriber into wanting to read more in the email and actually click the link. It goes through the body, it goes through the closing, it goes through everything, and it gives you examples of how to write the perfect email to get more clicks, which is definitely going to get you more sales. And then like the secret sauce to, you know, this whole product comes within this module. I don't want to open it up because I don't want to spoil it. It's called the campaign setup and automation. That is basically the secret sauce. I've never seen the two sources that he's using here. You know, it has something to do obviously with, you know, Autoresponder and getting messages out, but the automation software that he uses in this particular product is going to make it extremely easy to communicate with your subscribers and actually pull every dollar out of every email that you have on your list. And I know that really doesn't make sense now, but once you watch the videos, it'll make a lot more sense. But it's basically going to exhaust every dollar that you can possibly exhaust from your subscribers on your list. Extremely good content, guys. Extremely good content. Then there's actually a live case study, and the live case study actually teaches you, he walks you through a case study in which he took a list of 500 cold emails and generated over $200 per day with those small list of 500 subscribers. Everything was shown on camera. Very good case study. Like, that's the kind of case studies that, you know, you don't see these days. So again, absolutely great product. Auto Profits Daily. Like I said, it's $16.64 at the time of me making this video. It is a great product for anybody that is trying to do affiliate marketing, whether you're a newbie or you're intermediate and you're not making the money you need to make. I'm guaranteed. I still go through this product. I went through it last week. I've had this product for a while, and I even went back through it to just pick up some of the gems that he has in this course. So I highly recommend that you guys pick it up. There'll be a link in the description underneath this video so that you guys can pick the course up. And as a bonus to you getting this course, everything is there. You guys will love it. But I am going to give you actually a bonus as well. I'm going to give you, I took a couple hours out of my day and I went through and picked out like 36 of my best subject lines that I personally wrote in my autoresponder. And I picked out the ones that had like the highest open rates, and I picked out all the ones that I actually made sales with. So those are not just every subject line, but just the ones in the past few months that all generated me income. And it's 36 power-packed great subject lines, and as a bonus, I'm going to give you that for free. So if you have a list and you've been struggling to get sales and opens and clicks, these subject lines will help you. Even if you don't have a list, you're going to get this program, you're going to start building a list, and I'm still going to give you those subject lines because you're going to be able to use those in the near future. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about the course. Again, I don't want to give out the information in detail about every single little module, but you know, it's a great course. There's a 30-day refund if you don't like it for some reason. I can see one reason why you wouldn't like it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Shoot me a like, hit that like button if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Oh, I didn't really say, so if you purchase the product through my link and you want to get those subject lines, just shoot me an email at support at workwithjohnmcneil.com and with your receipt, and I'll get those subject lines over to you guys. Didn't want to leave that out. Peace, guys.